Worcester. Thank you for joining us on this Friday. My name is Summer, and I'm here with my friend and lovely coworker, Liz.
Hi,
say hi, Liz. Liz, I don't know about you, but I'm really happy that it's Friday. TGIF, everybody. And we're here today to show you how to make a chicken parm zucchini boat. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is turn my skillet onto medium heat, and I'm going to put in my ground turkey. And while I'm doing that, Liz is going to go ahead and cut her zucchini boats in half and scoop out the inside of the zucchini. And we're gonna save this zucchini because we want to cook that as well and add that into our boat. So Liz is just scooping it out, putting it in this bowl, and then we'll add that to the skillet when she's all done. All right, now that our ground turkey is completely cooked through, there's no more pink, I'm gonna take it off the burner. Okay, it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes for this zucchini to cook up enough that it's soft. All right, so the zucchini is cooked down. It's a lot softer than it was when it first went in the skillet. We're gonna add the ground turkey back into the skillet. And Liz is gonna hand me our seasonings. So we have some garlic powder here, some sea salt, and some ground black pepper. We're just gonna estimate and put about a cup in there. Okay, it's mixed together, cooked through. Liz is going to start scooping the ingredients into the zucchini boats. Be careful, it's really hot. Liz did a great job. These look beautiful. So now we're just going to top the boats with a 1/4 cup of mozzarella and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So you do the mozzarella, I'll do the Parmesan. Okay. Voila. All right. Now this is going to go into the oven covered with aluminum foil for 30 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, it's been 30 minutes in the oven. We're gonna take our zucchini out, and we're gonna make sure that the zucchini looks to be cooked through. And yeah, they look really good. I think that they're ready to go in under the broiler for about 3 minutes. We just want that cheese to brown on top. All right, we're done. The zucchini has come out of the oven. Liz just washed her hands. We're ready to taste it. Really good.
It is good.
Like, you get
very savory. I like the sauce.
I like that word, savory.